pictures for hours of you and what we used to be. All those places and secrets of ours, and they still find the way to our dreams. Sometimes I stop at the coffee shop and pretend you're the waiting for me. I see your face in every face, every step, every block, every street. It's a lonely city, the neon's bright, and you're not with me to shine your light. The skyline's empty, nowhere to hide. It's a lonely city, it's a lonely night. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is a new one on me. It's a song called Lonely City by a gentleman called Mokita, M-O-K-I-T-A. Check him out on YouTube, okay. What you heard there was basically a verse and a chorus, and that's all there is in the song, basically, verses and choruses, okay. So more of the same after that, okay. That was just a basic rhythm playthrough. The song itself is finger picked, okay, and I'll try and explain the finger picking if you want to do it finger pick style, okay. The chords are in drop D tuning, okay, so it's basically standard tuning, but you lower the bottom E string down to D, okay. So when you've tuned up to standard, you undo your bottom E string till it sounds like the fourth string, okay. Then we need to play it in the same key as Mokita. We put a capo on the first fret, okay. So the first chord you need is a B minor 7. So that's a bar chord on the second fret from the capo. I'm only using the top 5 strings. I'm not playing the bottom E string. And then the second finger goes to the third fret from the capo on the second string, and your third finger goes to the fourth fret from the capo on the fourth string, the D string, okay. 5 downwards. Should sound like that, okay. So B minor shape, reference to the capo, okay. Second chord is, because you're in drop D tuning, we need to play an E minor 7th, but all you do, it's like an E minor chord, but you do the bottom 2 strings, second fret from the capo, the E string and the A string, okay. That becomes an E minor 7th, okay. So it's third chord is a straightforward A chord, 5 downwards. Don't play the bottom E string, okay. And then to a D chord, and you can play all 6 strings because the bottom E string is a D now, okay. So B minor 7th, 5 downwards, E minor 7th like that, bottom 2 strings, second fret, all 6 strings. Then an A chord, 5 downwards, and then a D chord all the way across, all 6 strings. And that's all it is all the way through the song. It repeats that verse and chorus, okay. So it's, the intro is just once the way round, okay. So it's comes in. My head's crowded with pictures of ours, of you and what we used to be. All those places and secrets for hours, and they still find the way to my dreams. Sometimes I stop at the coffee shop and pretend that you're waiting for me. I see your face in every face, every step of the block, every street. Chorus, it's a lonely city when the neon's bright. You're not with me to shine the light. The skyline's empty, nowhere to hide. It's a lonely city, it's a lonely night. Okay, and that's all it is, basically all the way through that song. It's the same chord sequence. Now, on the actual record he finger picks, okay, so it's something like, starts off something like this. Something like that. Okay, so let's get to it. So basically B minor 7th again, and what you do, I'm used to using basically my thumb and my first finger. Okay, it starts off, you play the 5th string and the 2nd string together. Okay, then you play the 4th string. I'm using my thumb. If you do finger picking, you probably use more fingers. Okay, but this is the way I do it. You play 2 together, 5 and 2, then you play 4, 3, and then you play the 2nd string again, and then you play the 4th, the 3rd, and then the 2 together again, 2nd string and the 5th string. So it's right. Then what you do is you put your pinky up to the 5th fret from the capo and play that single note. Okay, so you've got okay. Then we go to that E minor 7th, bottom E string and 5th string, 2nd fret from the capo, and we play the bottom E string and the 3rd string together. Followed by the 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, then the 5th string, 4th string, and then the 3rd string and bottom E string together. So it's, so now you've got this so far. We do a little slide from the 2nd fret of the 3rd string to the 4th string, 4th fret of the 3rd string, all on the 3rd string, 2 to 4. Okay, so now you've got that one is. So far we've got this. Now we do the A chord, and we play the 5th string and the 2nd string together, followed by the 4th, the 3rd, then the 2nd again. So you got, okay. Then we do the 4th, 3rd, and the 5th and the 2nd together again. So it's, got that. Followed by a single note, the pinky goes up and plays the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So you got, so now you've got this. Sorry, let's do it again. Sorry, I got that, missed the double note there. Okay, got that? Very slowly. Okay, and finally we got this D chord, but it's not played like a D chord, I'm doing it like this. And what you do is second on the 3rd, 1st finger, and then the 4th fret of the D string, 4th string with my 3rd finger, and you play that along with the bottom E string open and the 4th string together. It should sound like that. So you play those two, then you play the 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, so you've got, alright. Then we play the bottom E string, 5th string, 4th string. So it's, alright. That's where I make it anyway. So the whole thing, the whole sequence, then it just repeats everything. Okay, so here we go from the start, slowly. Do it again, sorry, I missed the double note at the end. Again. Sorry. Okay, obviously it's played a lot faster than that, but if you play it slowly and gradually speed up, you know, it's like a something like that, maybe a bit better than that, but you get the idea. I'm no finger picker, but I was asked if I could possibly give a little bit of help on this one, so that's what I've done. Okay, so far for it. So I hope that helped those people that want to play that song, give them a push in the right direction. Okay, thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.